I honestly, I don't even have the words.
I did the same thing as you though.
You didn't. You had the safety on. You shot him right before he hit this tree.
That's what I was trying to, that's what I don't like this. Like when he was in the middle, I was like, oh boy, like I don't even know if you have him. Did you have him?
Oh, I had him on.
Oh, good.
Just before he got to the tree and shot.
Otherwise I was gonna wait for like right there.
That is just crazy.
Lord. This is.
We better get out there before it starts pouring.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Well, we got him before the rain hit. I mean, it's drizzling right now, but there's a big green patch coming. But yeah, you know, we got into the blind. The first call, we struck him up. I mean, and he was probably 50 yards up on top of this hill right over by us. And yeah, so we kind of were calling. He was hitting. He was gobbling hard back at us, and then all of a sudden he just shut up. And we could hear it gobble long ways in the distance. We thought maybe he flew down, went the other way. Well, then we started seeing hens. I mean, there was probably 10 of them, more than 10, yeah. And they just started coming down the trail like they always do. And then, you know, finally he was the last one that came by. And I mean, it was really cool watching him come in. It was probably beautiful footage. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. It never gets old. I mean, this is, I think, the 4th turkey taken off this spot right now. And yeah, it just never gets old. Gotta thank Uncle Eric for taking me out.
No problem, man.
Like we said, we've had a lot of turkey success.